Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video for Bead Box Bargains, the sister store to Bargain Bead Box, the monthly subscription that I have. I haven't ordered from them in a while, but I ordered a bunch this time, and actually this has been sitting here for probably a week and a half. I ordered it on September 15th, and it is now October 2nd, so I haven't even been able to open it. So the cool thing is, I forgot what I ordered. Looks like I ordered quite a bit. So we'll kind of go through it. I'll try and tell you. I mean, their stock changes quite a bit, so unfortunately they might be sold out of some of this stuff, but they might have some of it still. So we'll see. Okay. The first thing that I'm pulling out is just a little thank you card. They always give you a little thank you. Just some little spacer beads. There's their card with their website. Of course, I'll leave that information below. Looks like, oh yeah, I remember now. I bought a lot of crystals this time because they had colors that I don't have. And I'm not even going to try and figure out, like, here's the packing list. I'm not going to try and figure out which color is specifically which color, listed. But here we go. We have some different blues in a couple different sizes. So this one, they're all opaque. Well, these are opaque. Nice, like cornflower colors. They think the colors were called cornflower and denim. So pretty. I don't have those. I might have this color, but it's super pretty anyway. Of course, if you subscribe to their monthly subscription, you get a 30% off coupon. That's what I used on this. So I'm sorry. Yeah, one of the names was cornflower. I think these were all 99 cents, 6x4 millimeter. And I think I also got 8x6 millimeter too. So here's another, it's like a peachy color. Those are neat. Those are pretty. I think I have some plastic beads that are that color. These are the larger rondelles, but sorry, I always hit the camera no matter what. Got some schmutz on the table too. Sorry. Sidetracked. These are a little bit larger, a little bit darker, but so vibrant. That's why I got these, because they were such pretty colors. Plus, you can never, as I've proven, you can never have too many crystals. Oh, although I think I'm pushing it. All right, so these are another peach, but these are less, so these are more opaque, I would say, than this color. They're close to the same color. These are just less opaque. These are not crystals. Let's see. These are cherry blossom quartz matte round beads. I don't have anything like this, but recently I shared a matte haul with you guys, which I will be doing a tutorial with very soon. These are really pretty. I think it's a 15-inch strand. These were a little more expensive. I mean, for them, these were $3.79, still a really good price, because then it was 30% off. Okay. Oh, some tile beads. I can't remember. I don't know what the heck I'm going to do with them. I know bead weavers would probably use these. I'm not going to open them because you guys know I spill beads everywhere when I do that. These are like a metallic red. I'm going to use them as spacer beads. So, yeah, 10-gram bag, 4 millimeter check glass quad beads, lava red, $1.59. So $1.59 for all of these, plus 30% off. Yeah, I'm just going to use those as spacers. They're going to be really cool. And then we have, some pressed check glass beads, flowers. I always grab those when I can see them. These are just bright yellow. That's 5 pieces. I think I only got one set. Dandelion, those were $1.49. We have some more crystals, purple. I always try to grab purple crystals because they're really hard to find. Unfortunately, they're always this like dusty purple color. I would just love to lay my hands on some bright purple violet crystals. They're very hard to come by. It must be hard to make crystal glass in purple or something. I've got some nice opaque red. I love this color red. Even though I'm not a red fan, I love this color red in beads. It's like that coral red. I just got some basic, sorry guys, sorry. Some basic toggle clasps, 5 sets, antique gold finish. I think I got 2. They were 99 cents each. I mean, you can't pass that up. And you know how many bracelets I make, so I always get toggles when I can from them because they have such good toggles. These are like cherry, dark cherry crystals. So pretty. I love how these feel. Some more check glass. These are table cup ones. Table cut. I don't know why I say table cup. Jeez. Turquoise. So there were 3. I think these are $1.89. And these are 14 millimeter. Okay, some more crystals in like a turquoise, like a tealy turquoise. Ooh, these are approximately 14-inch strand of 8 millimeter crackle agate faceted round beads in scarlet. So I don't have anything like this. That's why I grabbed them. I'm trying to be more flexible with red. Again, it's that coral red color that I really like. And I think I got them in 10 millimeter too, or similar in 10 millimeter. I don't know if they're the exact same color. So let me see if I can find those. Oh yeah, these are really nice. And the 8 millimeter were $3.59, and the 10 millimeter were $3.89, which is a fantastic price. Like, look at those. These are amazing. I love that white. These would look great in a Halloween bracelet. Little gory, but I think they would be good in like a Dexter themed bracelet. I love these. Oh, they make me so happy. Okay, just some more crystals. These are a double like color, so they're yellow with a multicolor coating. Some pressed glass leaves. I always grab leaves for some reason. I don't use them, I just love them. So I need to do a couple projects using leaves because I have so many leaves. These are top drilled. Soles. These are, well, I guess they are orange, but these are like fire orange. So pretty in real life. Some more leaves in a like teal blue. Let me see if I can find out how much these leaves were. 89 cents for 10 pieces. So those are pretty cool. Oh, I got the cherry quartz in 8 millimeter as well. And I think it was just slightly cheaper than the $3.89 from, I think they were $3.59. So I have them in 2 different sizes. I love those. They're so fun to touch. I love matte beads. And that pink is just so yummy. So yummy. Some more cornflower crystals. These are a larger size than the original ones I showed you. Some more, some turquoise crystals with that half metallic AB. Oh, wow, those are yummy. Those are yummy. Some more flowers. These are turquoise pressed flowers. 5 pieces. A shell pendant. I don't know. I can't remember. This is really pretty. I had to stop myself. I was like, Brittany, you're only going to make one thing. You don't need several different pendant or several of the same pendant. Let me see if I can figure out. Yeah, these were 99 cents. So I got this one. I think this is a 32 millimeter one, and I think I also got a 26 millimeter. See if I can find that 26 millimeter one to show you. Yes. Oh, it's a little guy. He's cute. Very nice. I love shell. I mean, come on. I love beads. So pretty much any finish is going to be nice, or material is going to be nice. Some more toggles. Let's see. So there are two different, nope, these are the same. So I got two different sets, or two sets of 5, I want to say. No, 6 sets for 99 cents. That's amazing. That's why I got 2 of them. So they're ornate is the name. Those are really pretty. I love antique gold. And then here's what the bar looks like. It's got like a woven look. So nice. Love that. And so I got 6 sets for 99 cents. And then 30% off. It's like 60 cents. Nope, 70 cents. I can do math, I promise. Right, Goldie? Oh, she's sleeping. You're always sleeping. Okay, so then we have this 5-piece set. 14 by 11 check glass press oval sunburst bead. Terracotta luster. These were $1.49. These are so yummy. I don't think I've ever seen these before, so I had to grab them. Had to. Yeah, those are going to look amazing in like some desert inspired piece. Absolutely. I'm already picking out like different terracottas and yellows, and we have fantastic sunsets here. They've been a little muted, very muted lately because of the horrible fires in California. And if you're in California, I'm so sorry you're having to go through that, but our sunsets have been super affected because of all the haze. And even my family in Ohio has said that some of that haze has made it their way there from the smoke. So we have a bright sunny yellow. Wow, this was really crystal day. I must have blacked out and just ordered a bunch of crystals. A nice, really nice, but like creamy color, creamy peach color. Some more red. This one's a little touch brighter than all of those other reds that I showed you. It's like a hot red. I love it. It's like the color of a Corvette. Some orange. These are more typical orange than the red orange I showed earlier. Ooh, these are pretty. Some more pressed table cut glass flowers. These are like a denim or cornflower blue. Yeah, they called it cornflower Picasso. So cool. I don't have anything like that in that color. Those were $1.89. Ooh, I got the same ones. Ooh, these are neat. These are called Cobalt Swirl Luster. So they have like a shiny finish on the parts that aren't table cut, and then it's like a nice cobalt royal blue in there. I know you can't see it. This lighting is terrible. Oh, I apologize. Oh, these match. Some cobalt crystals. Sorry. Very cool. Some olive pressed glass flowers with the table cut finish. Picasso. This was definitely, I think, a stress buy. I was like, oh, I'm stressed out. I'm going to go shopping. And this is what showed up. Some more leaves. These are beautiful citrine, like topaz color. Love that. That's my birthstone is topaz or citrine. Can't wait. Next month, Scorpios. Okay. And I've only got a couple other things. More, oh gosh, Goldie's so cute. I'm sorry, guys. I looked over and she's like on her back with her little paws in the air. That's like one of her favorite ways to lay down. These beautiful, like muted rose. Oh my gosh. And the inside is like rose gold. Oh, these are gorgeous. Those are going to be in a beautiful bracelet, I think. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Those are gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to start a pressed glass flower bin so I can keep them all in one place. Like the new organization, I don't know what I'm going to do, guys. There's just too much. There was way more in my storage unit than I imagined, and I'm a little ashamed. I'm definitely going to be doing some purging. So please join my Brittany's Beads group if you're interested in that. It's on Facebook. I'll put the link below. These are pinch beads. I haven't seen these before. And it's 10 grams. It says 5x3 millimeter glass, check glass pinch beads, vintage mix, $1.59. This is so cool. Oh, I don't know if you heard that, but I just dropped a bunch on the floor because that's what I do. I'm going to use these as spacers, I think. I think these are so neat. If you guys have seen pinch beads before, what have you used them for? I'm sure people have probably used them in bead weaving, but I'm not interested in bead weaving yet. Although my friend Julie is really trying to breed me to the dark side because she keeps showing me really pretty stuff that she's made. And she wasn't into it either. And then the last two things I have, last three things. So I got some little butterfly spacers. I have these, I'm pretty sure, but I thought they were so cute. Let's see. Yeah. 18-piece 6x9 millimeter butterfly spacers, antique silver, 89 cents. Like, you cannot beat that. And then 30% off. And then I got these 10-piece snowflake beads, 8.5 by 9.5 millimeter, antique silver and antique copper. These were 95 cents. They have such good deals. And then if you're a subscriber, you get the 30% off coupon every month. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. What was Brittany's favorite this time? Okay, so definitely these, I'm sorry to say it, bloody agate beads. They just remind me of Dexter. If you haven't watched it and you like horror shows, I think that would be great. Some matching crystals. I really, really liked these beads and the cherry quartz. I mean, I love everything that I got, but these are the things that are sticking out in my mind right now. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned. I'm going to try and get a video of Goldie looking super cute because, well, you guys love her and I do too. So thanks for watching. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye. There she is. Yeah. Now your mommy's videoing you. You're going to start twitching. Isn't she cute laying on her back? Hi. Oh, did you just wave? Hi. Yeah, you want a tummy rub? Yeah. Oh, that's a good girl. Yes, it's a good girl. Oh, you sweetie. Bye.